The Gain and Mute tab allows editing of the input and output gains and mutes for all channels and displays the level on bar graph displays. The output meters show not only level but also limiter operation. Gain can be adjusted in 3 ways. The fader can be drag and dropped to any position. Gain can be stepped up and down in 0.1 dB increments using the up-down arrows, and precise gain values can be directly typed into the window. Note that once you have typed a value, you need to click Enter for the value to be changed. There are also options available to modify the operation of the link function. In standard mode, once channels are linked, subsequent changes to the gain will make the link channel jump to the new value. There may, however, be occasions where you would like to maintain a gain offset between channels. If you add the desired offset between channels, link those channels, then click Keep Linked Gain Offset, you will find that the offset is always maintained between those channels when any gain changes are made.